Using Mother's Food app is simple. First, install the application either by using the below link or directly through Play Store or App Store. Once the application has been installed, sign up by entering mobile number and proceed with Verify option. After proceeding, a one-time password will be sent to the given mobile number. Enter OTP and verify. Hooray! Your number is verified. Once the verification is completed, you will be redirected to the sign-up page. Fill the details and proceed to Submit to register. You will be directed to the MF Chef Order Dashboard, where you can view accepted orders for today, tomorrow or later orders. Also, you can check live orders, preparing orders and cancelled orders. Firstly, add the food menus that are served by you can be added on his or her own with a detailed description along with ingredients just by clicking on User button and then go to Edit. The Edit page will direct you to add cuisine and food type you offer. Also, facility to select your kitchen open and close time. Update your address. Click on Update. As soon as this updates, then you can push accept orders to green mode for a new journey with us, or keep it off when you are not ready to serve. Add food items as soon as this updates, where you can add your dish, name, about dish, cuisine. Also, if you want to give extra item with extra cost, select from add-ons. Moreover, for complimentary, select from drop-down and select food type for veg and non-veg. Enter quantity and price along with offer price. Select start time and end time for that particular dish, so that dish will be shown on time only to the customer. Update dish image, and if you want to add different dishes, repeat same. If you want to edit any item which is already added, click on Select Item, select the dish, edit it and submit. The customer end or end user can opt for a subscription plan, wherein which he will initially pay a subscription charges for the entire month and later he can book an order without having the hassles of making payment every time until the subscription expires. Once submitted, if you still want to add other order dish, same. Go to subscription food item, follow the earlier step. Here in inventory, you can check added food item and you can turn on or off the button according to the availability of food items. Select the dish you want to serve by making it green and others to be off. Interestingly, you can update your daily offers to the customer for particular day. If you want to give offer to particular dish, then select item which you already added. Enter offer price, select date, time and update it. Once submitted, if you still want to add other offer order dish, same. Go to offer food item, follow the earlier step. This is a special feature that we are providing where the chef can add particular item for pre-order for tracking how many pre-order received. Just enter item name, details, veg or non-veg, quantity, price, offer price, delivery date, pre-order start and end date. Upload image and submit. Now enjoy the pre-orders. Once submitted, if you still want to add other pre-order dish, same. Go to pre-order food item, follow the earlier step. By referring others, you can earn MF cash that you can check here. Here you can order packing material. Now check referrals as how many people you referred. Now refer by your mobile through social media applications. Also check order history by selecting start and end date. Check payment history by selecting start and end date. In future, if you want to change bank account details, just raise a request here. In future, if you want to change your location, just raise a concern here for locality change. Here you can write about yourself and ingredients along with brand you use for cooking. Now access pending request also. For any query, you can send message to the customer support. In payments, check about your daily and weekly payments. Mother's Food. Homemade food, then it's Mother's Food.